I'm very happy because I show you my favorite plate, my favorite dish, Fiorentina steak. It's very simple dish because I have need one beef steak, one thermometer for take the temperature inside, and I put that and take on the grill. The future of the characteristic of the Fiorentina steak, it's the cut. We use only the cut in the T-bone, and it's no below, never below 1 kilo and 2. 5 minutes in the other side. The Fiorentina steak stay 5 minutes in one side, 5 minutes in another side, and 3 minutes on the bones. It's very important because the cooking, it's blood cooking, but inside it's become hot because it's impossible to eat if it's cold inside. No have wrong, I use that. I love Fiorentina steak in 34 degrees inside. It's very important, don't use the salt before, because the meat become very hard. Now I turn and put salt on the top.
Okay, now the steak is ready. It's enough to cut, put in the dish, service dish, and put some olive oil, salt and pepper. This one is the cooking of the, it's rare. Fiorentina style is this one. And then we finish with salt, pepper and olive oil. Okay, enjoy.
You can buy our biological pasta, our new oil and some wine in our shop, shop.diacceroni.com. Bye bye, thank you so much.